Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to work with file shares in Azure storage account. So Azure storage account, you need to connect to, first of all, log into Microsoft Azure, and then you can go to your storage account. You can go from here, or you can also go to your storage account right from here. And once you log in, once you are in the storage account, select your storage account, and then from here go to file shares. Now, why are we creating a file share? We are creating a file share in order to create a documents file share to provide it to our team so that they can upload their official documents to this share. So in order to create a file share, all you need to do, just add file share, and then here you need to type the documents, and we will provide a quota to this, which is create this. So it is created, file share is created. In order to connect to the file share from the portal, we can basically create more directories. So I'm going to create a directory folder called IT, and I can create another folder called finance. This is for the finance department. So now I have two folders in here. So in order to mount this share on a server from where we can share it to the clients, to end users. So first of all, mount it to the server. You can click connect. And from here, you can connect it to Windows Server, Linux Server, and Mac OS. So here we're going to connect to Windows Server. So Windows Server, from this window, you can just click here, copied, and from here now you need to connect to a VM where you need to mount this share. So in order to do that, you need to go back to home. You need to have a VM in Azure. So in here, I'm going to connect to my VM. If you don't have a VM, just create one simple VM, server 2012-16. So here I'm going to connect to this VM. So why are we connecting to the VM? We are connecting to the VM to connect our file share. So here it is usual way to connect to a VM. You can also connect using the remote desktop utility, which is mstsc, typing the command. So once you click here, you can click on connect, and it will ask you for username and password. Here it is already asking me the password, but if it doesn't, most of the time it gives you your local computer's password. In that case, you need to go to more choices and use the different account. Use different account where you need to type the username. So I've already copied the username and password within a notepad on my other screen. So I'm going to just copy this and okay. So once it gives us this certificate message, and in few moments it will let you connect. So once we are connected to this, all you need to do, first of all, I'm going to show you how many drives are currently available. So in this server, there are only 3 drives connected, so C and D. Once the share is mounted, then you'll be able to see the 4th drive. So in order to mount the share, you can click on start, and then you can open PowerShell. And in PowerShell, you just right click. Okay, so it's typing the password. So remove the password. Now, in order to bring it back, actually, you remember that I copied this. I'm going to go back to the portal, and I am going to go back to storage account. And within the storage account, I need to copy that copy command, the connect command for the file share again. So going into the file share, documents, and in here I will click connect, and from here I'll copy the same command. So it will create a Z drive in the server. Go back here, just right click, and it is now connecting. And here, if it stops, then you need to press enter a few times. So maybe 1 or 2 times, and it is connected. So that drive is connected. And if we need to make sure that if it is the drive is connected, we can go to Windows Explorer. You need to make sure you're in the VM. So if you don't open the Windows Explorer on your PC, just double click on this and it will open, because here it looks like that I need to open this. No, this is my host machine, Windows Explorer, but you need to double click on this. And once you're here, you see this document. If I go into this, I can see the IT and finance documents here. If you need to further share it, all you need to do, right click here, and then you can go to properties, and you can just provide access to whoever needs access to this folder from the security. So and here you can delete if you have access. So once you delete, it will be deleted from the main. So we're not going to delete. So so just for the testing purposes, we can delete, and I can recreate another folder in here, and that folder is for marketing. So it's a marketing folder. Marketing folder is created. I'm going to go back to the file share here, and then I'm going to refresh. So once you refresh, finance is gone and marketing is here. So this is how we can work with file shares in a storage account. Thank you for watching this video.